Okay, so why don't you tell us your name?
My name is Pete Rooks.
And why did you first come to our office?
I came here as kind of a referral situation. They referred me here through a friend. Initially I had a lot of lower back pain, upper back pain, some kind of shooting pains down my leg, and overall energy loss. So a friend recommended this place.
Okay. What type of doctors, treatments, drugs, anything else that you tried prior to coming here?
I initially had an accident where I was kind of going to like a general practice doctor and did some x-rays. They didn't really ever actually evaluate any of the pain or any of the actual damage that might have been caused. Put me on some painkillers that kind of numbed it from here and there, but nothing was ever really done.
Okay. Did you have any skepticism prior to coming to a chiropractor, and how do you feel about it now?
Yeah, I was skeptical, I suppose. You hear stories of people say how great it is and things like that, but I guess some people question like the medical side of it, and if it's better than having surgery or something like that. But now, actually, I'm really glad I came.
Well, how do you feel about chiropractic now?
No, I think it's great. Actually, you start to learn more about the process. You start to actually feel better. It increases your energy. Yeah, it's definitely a much better alternative to surgery than anything like that.
Definitely. Let's see. When you first came in here, did you have any reservations about committing to a treatment program or paying for your care, and how do you feel about it now?
Yeah, definitely reservations. You wonder about the cost, at least from an insurance standpoint, things like that. But now I feel great. I mean, you kind of realize that the benefits that you get from the program outweigh any of the doubts or the costs or anything like that.
Did you have any trouble committing with like the time commitment of coming in for rehab?
Yeah, I work. I'm the executive chef of a restaurant, so I have little time to even make the program happen. But I found the time, and it was great.
Good. So what results have you had since becoming a patient here?
Increased energy all the time. Even when I'm working 14 and 15-hour work days, I wake up in the morning, I feel my energy's back. I'm not stiff, not achy. The pain's gone away a lot. I don't have the strange shooting pain in my leg anymore. And you just kind of all around feel better, and actually a little less stress.
Great. Did you like the adjustments?
I did. At first I was a little nervous because it sounds weird, but no, they kind of loosen you up and you make you feel good. And I think that helped relieve the stress as well.
Great. What added benefits that you didn't expect kind of show up after getting care here?
Actually, I kind of didn't realize that I would want to keep it going, that I would kind of start to take on the feeling of enjoying the healthy feeling, and kind of putting that into my lifestyle, my diet, and everything else I do, because you actually start to really enjoy feeling. You haven't felt good in such a long time, you forget how great it feels to feel healthy and be energetic, so you kind of start to take on that mentality all the time.
And finally, what would you tell someone who is considering to come here for care?
To really think about the overall benefits that you can get, put aside any of the doubts, and give it a chance because you actually feel great.
Okay, do you want to add anything else?
No, the staff is great.
Awesome, okay, thank you.
Sure.